Well, here's the finished 80-meter coil repair. I've put this wire on, this 30 gauge wire from the spool, and wrapped it up according to the dimensions that I had recorded. Secondary was 4 inches. There was 14 turns on the first section, so from here to here is 14 turns, 12.5 inches. From here to here was 16 turns. That seems wrong. No, I guess that's right. At any rate, this whole thing was, this section here was 12.5 inches. This section was 30 inches. If you add them together, you get the primary of 43 inches. And that's what I measured off the ruler in the previous videos. The secondary is only 4 inches. So the secondary and primary are grounded right about here. They're grounded there. The secondary is 3 turns and it comes down there. So that's about it. Continuity wise, secondary is attached here and its end of it, secondary is here. The primary is attached here, has a center tap there, and it's attached here. So let's see if the damn thing works. I put enough work in this darn thing. My only bugaboo might be the nail polish could have melted the enamel or whatever they have on there, could have melted it and shorted everything out. Maybe that wasn't smart to put on, but it sure locks it in place. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Yeah, I'm gonna put the thing on the radio now and see what happens. See you later. Again, this was the 80-meter coil, the 80-meter antenna coil for the National NC 300 receiver. The one that was in there looked to be somewhat fried. So let's see if this works at all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.